city. You can't have people sitting too much, seemingly doing nothing. A lot of people work and they have office jobs, so they would be sitting, but they need people up and moving around. There's got to be stuff going on. You can't have a dead city. So and you know, dare I say, if there was someone in control of orchestrated harassment, say there's someone hiding behind a lot of electricity or what have you, or and they're actually maneuvering, making sure people are constantly irritating select targeted people, it could happen. We'll go this way today? Okay. Trying to decide which way to go. That's it. I wanted to get out here early. I tend to get up early. Also, there's fewer people out, you know, and for various reasons, whether on camera or just for sanity's sake. And also, I'm hoping to upload a lot of these before the power outage, you know, because I only have a 2-hour battery life on my laptop, so that would get sucked dry, you know, right quick, you know, with uploading. So I'll try to get this up and then do other things later today. Govberg, which is a 916. I think it's orchestrated because they're using the number 16. Govberg reminds me of Goldberg and Greenberg. And Greenberg and Trauma Rig. I'm sorry, it's Greenberg and Trauma Rig, some sort of law firm. This guy with a golden here. So Starbucks. Then trash. Faherty, which reminds me of Anne Marie Fahey, who was killed by Thomas Capano, supposedly. You know, he was considered the murderer. He wound up dead in prison. You know, she was dating him, and she was killed and put in a cooler, like folded up, and dumped in the ocean, and became a whole political thing to be able to figure out who did this to her, and so forth and so on. So that's it.